Hey guys, Prismatic here. Now, recently I just finished up a new preset pack for Gravitas Create. This pack is called Vitality Heavy Bass Hitters, and it features an eclectic mix of bass sounds, lead sounds, and effect sounds. Now, the pack is more focused towards bass sounds with an emphasis on the dubstep, hybrid trap, bass house, and psychedelic bass genres. But really, you can use the pack for a number of other genres as well. Now, I wanted to showcase a few of the presets in action in this video. So I've prepared for you guys a little demo track. This is what it sounds like. All of the sounds in this track, or at least the synth sounds, are all sounds that you can find in my preset pack. The drums, unfortunately, are not featured in there, as these are just samples from my own personal collection. Now, the one sound that I wanted to show you guys is this one right here. When played by itself, it sounds like this. Now, this sound is called BA Nasty, and it's one of my favorites from the pack. I would think that this sound would be good for some kind of rhythmic dubstep-oriented drops, such as rhythm, or really, traditional kind of dubstep stuff. But really, this sound, it's fairly simple. I have this one oscillator here. It's doing most of the work. I have an LFO on the chorus that is causing the pitch to go up. It sounds like this. And I think that sort of creates a cool effect. I also have LFOs on these other parameters, the wavetable position and the volume. I have some noise layered and a sub-oscillator, and that's all controlled by this LFO right here. I have some FM from B going on here, just a simple triangle wave that's being FM'd with some high octaves. I also have a variety of macros over here that you can use to change the way the sound sounds. Really, it's up to you how you want to use this kind of sound. Another thing to note about this is that the flanger filter is really sort of what's giving this sound its sort of gritty texture. Here it is with the filter, and here it is when the filter is turned off. Really, it's night and day. So anyway, that concludes this video. Just wanted to, give you an example of how you would use some of these presets. The Gravitas pack will be coming out very soon, if it isn't already out by the time this video gets published. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching the video.